Someone is buying the 5-look conversion. Should be coming here in about, honestly it's already going to be 2 hours, so I'm going to book it over. My dad has a house on the other side of town, and I'm trying to look at getting the old Camry fixed. Here's the old girl. I don't have a lot of time to really be over here. The old VVTi Toyota 4-cylinder. Gotta find the fuel pump fuse. The oil smells real old. I don't think I'm even gonna try and... That's just it being stained. But it smells kind of like the oil on that other's, the second Z. Check her out. I need to clean those terminals. Let's give her some life. Damn. I left the AC on. Came back and I was working on removing that stuff. 5-look conversion for that dude. I found out I need a 36 mil 12 point. If I come back here and it's not that 36 12 point, made it back. Parked a little bit closer this time. Probably gonna have to talk to the neighbors here. See, got their truck right there. So this is my great aunt's house. This is gonna be the first time I'm stepping in here in years. Like the attic got pulled down. Dang, the water heater's up there. Be another time. What was he reading? The Conquest of Mexico. Up on jack stands. It's absolutely windy. Drained out a Home Depot thing and a little bit more of gas. put the airbox back on. Got the camera working. Wait, not camera. Got the Camry working, not the camera. Man, well, I think I'm just gonna clean up this corner. Probably take the highway back home. Now we're going home.